Hi, my name is Matt Clausen. I'm with Matt Clausen Consulting Incorporated, and I'm here to demonstrate the Clash Management Suite for AutoCAD and Navisworks Manage. The suite allows you to edit clashes generated by Navisworks Manage in AutoCAD. You can view them in your AutoCAD session, as well as update the status, add, remove, and edit comments, and import those comments and status changes back into your Navisworks model. Let's get started. First, we want to be in Navisworks Manage, and we want to run our clash tests. You can see here I've got my Clash Detective window open. I have 6 clash tests that I'm going to run. A piping one, a structural one, electrical, and then piping versus structural, piping versus electrical, and structural versus electrical. We will click Update All, and that will generate our clashes. We can see that we have 11 clashes that have been generated. We'll click on the Report tab, select all the options in the contents, especially the item path. That is important for AutoCAD to be able to find any references or XREFs that it may need to load that might not be in the model. We also want to have all our statuses included in the report. Once we have our options set, we will change the report type to all tests in separate file, and we want it to be in the XML format. So we'll write the report, and you can see here we have our 6 clash test files generated. In AutoCAD, we will click on the CMS Tools tab, and we'll click the palette button. This will bring up the Clash Management palette. With the Clash palette open, you can see here we have a list of clashes that are in the model, and we've got flags that show where the clashes are. The colors of the flags correspond to Navisworks status colors. So if we hover over Clash 4, you can see that it's highlighted Clash 4 in the window, and it brings up a little tooltip that shows the status and the last comment that's been added to it. You can switch between your different clash tests using this drop-down list. You can isolate and unisolate the clash. As you can see, when I turn off the isolate, all the components are solid. When you click on a clash, it'll center the clash in the view and highlight the components with the red and green by default. Using the status bar, you can filter for the different statuses. We will display the approved clashes. As you can see, we now have 3 approved clashes displayed. When you open Navisworks Manage after updating the clashes in AutoCAD, you are presented with a dialog box that contains a list of the clash tests that have changes. By expanding each node, you can see the clashes and you have a chance to review them. So here we have Clash 8, which is approved, and the comment is ignore clashes between pipe and supports. If you wish to edit the clash, you can click the edit button, make any changes that you want, and then click the edit button again to save the changes. Select the clashes that you want to bring in to the model and click the Approve button. You also have the opportunity to bring in all the clashes by toggling the All checkbox, and you can auto approve them, which means that when you open the model, all the clashes will be automatically approved without reviewing them. If you turn off Review on Open, you can only review them through the refresh button on the CMS Tools tab. So we will bring in Clash 8 and Clash 4, and we'll click Approve, Close. So now if we click on the piping, look at the results, you can see we've got Clash 8, ignore clashes between pipe and supports. If we look at the piping structural, look at clash number 4, we have check elevation. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, contact us at support@mkci.ca.